Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Picks, where we take the guesswork out of your buying decisions and give you straight-up reviews that you can trust. So, let me ask you something. Have your car seats seen better days? Whether it's dog hair, muddy kids' shoes, sun fading, coffee spills, or just the grind of everyday driving, your car interior takes a beating. And unless you're detailing your ride every other weekend, it doesn't take long before those seats start looking, let's say, well-loved. That's why today we're counting down the best car seat covers for 2025. Options that protect your seats, add comfort, and make your ride look a whole lot better without blowing your budget. We've spent weeks analyzing stitching quality, abrasion resistance, breathability, and comfort, with a few side-eye checks on style, of course. Whether you drive a commuter sedan or a full-size SUV, or you just want to upgrade your road trip game, there's a cover on this list for you. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the covers that actually live up to the hype. If you're in a hot climate or just hate sticking to leather seats in summer, listen up. The BDK Poly Pro car seat covers are designed with breathable polyester, not faux leather, which means they're cooler, lighter, and way easier to clean after beach days, hikes, or sweaty gym runs. These are made for universal fitment and can handle a variety of rear seat configurations. 60/40 splits, full benches, whatever your setup. The fabric is thin but resilient, and the company claims they're machine washable, a huge plus if you've got pets or kids. Now, we didn't test this one in the lab, but based on hundreds of real-world reviews, it's a go-to for families who just want something that's easy to install, holds up to messes, and doesn't turn the inside of your car into a toaster oven. Installation isn't the easiest thing in the world. It'll take some tugging and patience, but once you've got it on, it stays on. And with multiple color choices, it doesn't look half bad either. Okay, now we're getting into premium territory. The EKR Custom Fit seat covers are made for people who want their seat covers to look like they came from the factory. These aren't generic slip-ons. They're cut to fit your exact make and model like a glove. They're made with multi-layer polyester and foam for comfort and structure, and the stitching detail is seriously impressive. Whether you drive a RAV4, a Civic, a Ford F-150, or a Lexus RX, EKR has a set that matches your interior and color scheme down to the details. Reviewers rave about how they look and feel, and some even say they look better than their OEM leather seats. They're also full coverage, front and back seats, so you're getting complete protection. Downside, they're pricier and a bit more involved to install, but once they're in, total transformation. Your car goes from used to wow in about an hour. Now let's talk luxury. The Black Panther seat covers are perfect for drivers who want that high-end leather look without the price tag, or the upkeep. These are made from soft, diamond-stitched faux leather with thick foam backing, giving you a cushioned, classy vibe the moment you sit down. In our abrasion tests, the faux leather held up reasonably well. Yes, it showed some signs of wear after thousands of cycles, but nothing that would stand out unless you were actively looking for it under direct sunlight. Comfort-wise, one of the best. The thick foam padding makes long drives a dream, and the anti-slip bottom helps keep the seat in place even during aggressive cornering. They're also water-resistant, so no panic if your kid spills juice or your dog jumps in after a muddy walk. And with multiple design patterns, you're not stuck with just black, although the all-black look does scream luxury. If you're looking for maximum value, the FH Group car seat covers are your go-to. For under $30, you're getting covers that come in over a dozen colors, so you can match your car, your mood, or even your favorite sports team. Red, pink, bright yellow, you got it. Now, budget often means compromise, but we were honestly surprised at how well these held up in abrasion tests. After 15,000 rubs, they were still hanging in there. Not bad for a set that costs less than dinner for two. The fabric is thin, so a sharp key or a rogue dog claw could do some damage. And you're not getting memory foam comfort here. But for general seat protection from crumbs, pet hair, spills, and daily wear and tear, these covers get the job done, and they look good doing it. Pro tip: if you like these, consider grabbing the full set with both front and back seat covers. Just know that color options are a bit more limited in the bundle. And now, taking the top spot, the Caterpillar Mesh Flex covers. Yes, that Caterpillar, the construction brand. These things are built like tanks, but they look surprisingly sleek. Made from rugged 100% polyester with mesh inserts and a foam backing, these seat covers blew us away in the lab. After 15,000 abrasion cycles, they still looked nearly new, barely a scuff. The mesh also adds breathability, which makes a huge difference on hot summer days. Comfort is solid too. The foam padding adds just enough cushion without feeling bulky, and the fit is great for most standard front seats with removable headrests. Only real con? The branding. These come with a prominent cat logo, which might not be everyone's style. But honestly, it kind of grows on you. It says, "I take care of my gear." So if durability, comfort, and rugged performance are your top priorities, this is the seat cover to beat. So there you have it. 5 car seat covers that protect your ride, enhance your comfort, and look way better than those cracked, sun-faded seats you're dealing with now. Whether you want that premium leather look, need a breathable summer option, or just want to keep your dog from wrecking your upholstery, there's something on this list for every car and every budget. You can find all the links to these seat covers down in the description, including the best current prices and fitment info for your specific vehicle. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff reviews, and let us know in the comments. What's the worst mess you've ever had to clean out of your car? This has been Consumer Picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.